In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your account to Google Play Games on RPG Dice Heroes of Whitestone. To do this, open your game, and as you can see, I'm not logged in, so I'm going to press Settings. Press this green button here. Press this button. And you see I'm logged in. Now, it will load. And here, I have all the progress I've made. To unlock it, again, you press the same button. And you're logged out. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leaving a comment or a like below.